This is how to be able to create custom units in actual gameplay. So you want to go to your desired map and you want to go to edit, go down here to INI editing. You want to click this addition button right here, not this one, but this add button. And then let's say you want to add a cosmonaut. So the INI ID for a cosmonaut would be LUNR. That's short for lunar, by the way. And all of the INI IDs for all of the infantry here, it's all in the description of this video. So let's go to lunar. And then this add button is for adding the attributes within this INI file. So first thing you want to do is you want to put tech level equals 1. Make sure to capitalize the L in tech, or in tech level. And then you want to copy and paste this whole thing. This is in the description as well. Owner equals and all of this stuff. So you should have something that looks like this. You have owner and then it'll tell you the value down here. And then tech level equals 1. So then you want to add prerequisite equals barracks. Make sure to put that in all caps. I hope I spelled that right. Yeah, I did. Okay. And now this fourth attribute is specifically only for the cosmonaut. You don't have to add it if you're adding, let's say, like a polar bear or a civilian. But it's this right here, name equals lunar infantry. And then just click OK. And that should be it. And obviously you want to save the map. So I'm going to save it and I'm going to pull it up in the Yuri's Revenge client. And this works with any faction, by the way, no matter which faction you're playing. And there we go. So now you can create cosmonauts. And no, it doesn't stop in the middle of creation. It actually creates it. There we go. And there we go. So now this can work with other units as well, and you can actually add multiple custom units in the same map. So let's say I wanted to add, I'm just going to choose a polar bear because I've already done that in the past, so I know what the INI ID for that is. Again, I put all of the INI IDs for all of this infantry stuff right here in the description of this video you're watching. Okay, so the INI ID for polar bear is polar B. Somebody posted rules.ini on there, so that's how I'm finding all this information. And yes, I did put that in the description as well. You get these stuff. It doesn't matter which order you add it in, as long as you have it in somehow. And again, I'm just copying and pasting it. I'm just copying and pasting from a notepad here. The name equals lunar infantry. That only applied to the cosmonaut. Now, yes, technically every single infantry unit has their own name. For example, the one for polar bear is literally animal polar bear in the game files, but you don't have to add that. I don't know why that is. It'll still work, but yeah. So I'm just gonna save the map real quick, and I'm gonna pull up this map again in the client, and there we go. So we got a polar bear right here. I will say most infantry units do not have their own cameo, which is why you're seeing this missing cameo thing here, but you can still create it and it's yours, and you can also attack units with it. So yeah, so the thing is, each infantry unit has a default they have default settings basically, but you using the INI editor sort of edits that. So let's go back to polar B. You might have noticed that the cost was only $10 in the game. And guess what? You can change that by simply saying cost equals and then put any number. And in the actual game, it will cost this much to create. And yes, it does increase the build time of the unit as well. So yeah, I'm not going to show it in game because it's pretty self-explanatory. Test it out yourself. It's really cool what you can do with this type of stuff. Just make sure that you don't accidentally delete any of these INIs that are already established here, because obviously you don't want to break your map. But yeah, have some fun with it. And also don't forget, All of the INI IDs for each of these units are listed in the description. I basically copied and pasted from a GitHub, which I also linked in the description. Somebody posted rules.ini, which, if you don't know, is actually a file in the game that contains very crucial data about the properties and the INI stuff. Basically, how this entire thing works in the first place. But yeah. Anyways, I will see you